What's great with you today, man? I was doing some reading in the science of breathing. I want to make this simple as possible, like baby food. If we don't breathe properly, meaning have enough oxygen going in our nose, the blood that goes through our lungs is not able to accept that oxygen and become bright red again. So when blood leaves our heart, it's bright red and full of energy. When it comes back from going through all our body parts, collecting the toxin, it's blue, it's dull, and it's lacking energy. So it goes in the right orical of our heart. So when it goes through our lungs and we breathe, the oxygen can bust with the blood and it turns back bright red. That's why breathing is so important. So before that blood goes back in out of your left orical, comes back in, we want to make sure we have enough oxygen in our blood and our lungs so it can bust and turn that old blood that kind of reminds you of sewer water back bright red to that mountain fresh water. So that's why breathing is so important, because our blood needs ample oxygen to combust with, to turn that carbon monoxide and all that deep funk that comes up, toxins, back to that bright red blood that's full of prana. Prana is in the air we breathe. It's not just oxygen. Eastern philosophy understands this. Prana is life force energy. So when you breathe, have a brief hold, allow that prana and oxygen to fill your lungs, so it can bust with that blood and turn it back bright, red, and full of life. Your life kind of icky and funky. The first thing I would ask you is, how are you breathing? Are you breathing in your nose, out your mouth? Are you breathing in your nose, out your nose? Breathe in that prana, allow that oxygen to combust with that blood, turn it bright red. See how often your mood changes. You feeling funky? If you can, pause right now. Take 3 conscious breaths in your nose, out your nose, and just know that you're breathing that chi, that prana, that life force energy. Not only helping yourself, but your blood turn back bright red and full of life, and not blue and icky, full of residue. Stop letting sewer water, which is bad blood, back into your heart. Breathe and release and just be. Remember, Namaste, though. Your wellness is your breath. So now you understand why I tell you to breathe into it and don't believe into it. That life is in the air. Breathe into it and allow it to fill your body with that chi prana. Namaste, though. Your wellness is your wealth. Peace.